Today I am going to teach Python sets. Sets are unchangeable. Sets are unordered. Sets are not allow duplicates. Okay, those are the main things in sets. We can define set. This set is equal apple, orange, banana, cherry. We can define set just like this. Then we can loop. We can get each set item for x in this set print x. I can save and run. I can run Python sets.py, that is apple, orange, apple, banana, orange, cherry, because sets are unordered. If I run again, then the order is different. I can add item to set. For that, this set dot add pumpkin. Then I can print this set. It is working. I can update set from a list. This list is equal x, y, z. This set dot update this list. Save and run. Then this set is updating from this list. Here, apart from this list, I can add tuple and also another set too. I can remove item from set. This set dot remove orange. Then I can print orange is removed. Here I can change this word remove to discard. Then orange is removed. Here the difference of discard and remove, in discard this remove item is not in the set, then there is no error. Okay, but in remove, if this item is not in the set, then there is error. We can remove set del this set. Okay, it is not defined because it is removed. Then we can I define another list. This set true, that is apple, banana, and also X and Y. Here, here I can update this set from symmetric different update with this set too. From that, we will receive without common items of this set and this set too. I can run. Then the common items of this set and this set too are apple and banana. The update of this set will receive as without apple and banana. Apart from that, there is intersection update. That means intersection of this set and this set too is apple and banana. We will update this set from apple and banana and apple. That means apple and banana. I can. Here this is symmetric different, not symmetric different update. This is symmetric different. From that, the same symmetric different update, that is same as symmetric different update, that is get without common items in this set and this set too, but we can create another set for that. Then apart from common items of this set and this set too, without apple and banana, others are there in set 3. There is a one for intersection 2. Without intersection update, we can create another set with common items of this set and this set too. Apple and banana, common items of this set and this set too. We create another new set for those from intersection. I hope you understand this Python sets. Please subscribe my channel.